10 little fingers, and they all belong to me. I can make them do things would you like to see? I can shut them up tight or open them wide. I can put them together or make them all hide. Na 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 na. I can make them jump high, I can make them jump low. I can fold them quietly and hold them just so. I can wiggle my fingers and wave them around. I can make them dance slightly without a sound. Na 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 na. I can tap them on the table or clap them in play. I can use them to say hello and wave them away. I can count with my fingers, 1, 2, 3 and more. I can count to 10 on my hands and then count once more. Na 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 na. My fingers are so clever, they can point at the sky. They can draw in the air or reach up high. With my 10 little fingers I can do so much. I can write, paint and color or feel things to touch. Na 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 na. So let's give a cheer for these fingers so small. They're fun to play with, and the best of all,